Battalion 2, Engine 5, Tower 2, Engine 21, Hazmat 21, Engine 4, Hazmat 1, Quint 7. Fire. Explosion. 1901, Payne Street.
Engine 21 responding.
Engine 21, grab Hazmat 21.
Engine 4 responding.
Truck 2, Engine 5 responding.
Engine 21, Engine 4, Engine 5, Hazmat 21, Quint 7, Tower 2, Battalion 2, respond on a fire with an explosion, 1901 Payne Street to Sturgis Avenue. We've gotten several calls. We have smoke coming from rear of the location. Radio to Engine 1, are you going to be able to clear?
That's negative, radio. We're on a med run, 911 Great Lane.
I'm only at 1502. Radio Battalion 2, do you want me to start Hazmat 19?
That's correct.
Engine 4 is on scene, 1901 Payne Street. We got a multi-building complex. It appears to be a large explosion that occurred. We got smoke showing.
Engine 4, 1901 Payne, multi-building complex. Appears to be a large explosion, smoke showing at 1503.
21, grab a hydrant and lay into me. I'm going to nose into this fence and make entry right here. If you can bring me water.
Engine 19, Hazmat 19 responding.
Engine 19 Hazmat 19 responding to 1901 at Payne Street on a report of an explosion cross streets of Sturgis Avenue at 1459.
Engine 21 on scene.
Engine 21 on scene at 1504.
Battalion 2 to radio. Be advised, we have traffic signals out, up and down Main Street and Market Street.
Okay, traffic signals out on Main and Market at 1504.
Engine 15 on scene, 2428 Crickner Drive, one-story warehouse with nothing showing.
Engine
Switch to channel 2.
Engine 15, that's correct. I have you on the scene. Nothing showing at 1504.
Quint 7.
Quint 7 on scene at 1504.
Engine 4 to radio on the LGD, priority 1, multiple lines down. Go ahead and secure channel 1. Start me an extra engine, extra truck. Battalion 2, we got a report from plant personnel. Unknown persons are still missing. Unknown what the substance is that's blowing out. Engine 4 has positive water on the address side.
Battalion 2 is okay. Battalion 2 radio.
Battalion 2, I'm okay at 1505.
Battalion 4 to radio. Show me responding.
Battalion 4, have you responding at 1505.
Engine 1's in service. Engine 1 to Battalion 2, we cleared the scene. Do you need us to respond?
Chief 5 responding. Truck 2 on scene.
Truck 2 on scene at 1506.
Agent 9 responded.
Battalion 5.
Battalion 2, Engine 4 to Battalion 2. I'm going to have Quint 7 conduct primary search in the unaffected areas of the building. Plant personnel is attempting to get MSDS sheets at this time. It's going to get a head count on approximate personnel on site. He said there was approximately 60 individuals working at the time. They evacuated prior to the explosion, but it's unknown how many people are still unaccounted for. He's working on getting a head count.
Battalion 2 is okay. Battalion 2 to radio. Over your command. Command's going to be on Payne Street.
Battalion 2, your command. Command is going to be on Payne Street at 1507.
Battalion 10 responding.
Battalion 10 responding at 1507.
Engine 4 to command. Expected chemical leaking could be SO2, sulfur dioxide. Engine 4 to command. I just confirmed with plant personnel inside. It is ammonia leaking. I have one individual that is trapped under a mess of steel. Might want to go ahead and start. I'm sorry.
Battalion 2 is okay. Battalion 2 to radio. Start me rescue 11.
I'm okay on rescue 11 at 1509.
Truck 1 to Battalion. We're making that up, making sure we're closer.
Truck 1, your advisor responding to Payne.
That's correct.
Battalion 4 is on scene on the Bravo side, making my way to the rear.
Battalion 4, you're on Bravo.
Remember Quick 7 making entry
On the unaffected Bravo side building, second primary search.
Engine 5 has red tablet.
Engine 4W, Engine 4, Alpha.
Rescue 11 to command. We'll be responding from drill school.
Engine 5 to command. I got 5 patients on Payne at 1902. Battalion 2 to radio. How many med units do you have responding?
Standby. Command, you have 3 so far and plenty of chiefs.
Battalion 2 is okay. A situation update. We have a large structure involved in an explosion. No visible fire, but we do have an active chemical leak, possibly ammonia. Command's okay. Support 201.
Support 201 at 1511.
Command to Battalion 4, do you have access in the rear?
I'm on the Bravo side. We've got a rail line directly behind the building. There are some tankers back there. I was trying to make my way back there and see what we've got, see if it's involved or not. No apparatus are going to be able to make access from the Bravo side.
Command's okay. We're stretching a line from the Alpha side now.
Engine 9 is on scene.
On scene 1512.
Battalion 5W on scene.
Battalion 5W on scene 1512.
Engine 4 to command. 4W and Tower 2 are making their way to the victim right now. If you can give me that soaps basket back here by the man door to the right explosion area, please.
Radio, stop all rail traffic in the area. There's debris across all 3 tracks.
Battalion 4, all rail traffic needs to be stopped at 1513.
Battalion 4 command. I do have a large amount of debris from the structure off of a line of rail car tankers. I'm unable to determine what product are in the tankers or if they're loaded or empty.
Engine 4 to command, where's that soaps basket? He is alive. He's unconscious, but his breathing has a pulse.
Command Engine 4W, we have a soaps basket coming your way.
If you can send an Engine 3/4 the same way, I've got fire inside directly behind the leak too.
Truck 1's on the scene.
Truck 1 on scene at 1514. Radio to command. Wind speed is going to be east at 9 miles.
Engine 2, truck 1 on scene.
Battalion 5W, your accountability at 1514.
Quit 9 on scene.
Point 9 on scene at 1515.
Battalion 4 to command. I have some plant personnel from the involved structure on the Bravo side of the neighboring property. They're in the head count trying to determine who's accounted for, who's missing.
Command's okay. Find out how much ammonia they had on site and if that's the possible cause.
Battalion 4 is okay.
Chief 3 responding.
Chief 3 responding 1515.
Battalion 4 to Quintin, upon your arrival, I want you to stage in the parking lot of property on the Bravo side of the involved structure.
Quintin's okay.
Battalion 10 on scene.
Battalion 10 on scene 1516.
Engine 4 command, we removed 1 person. We're coming out the man door to the south of the leak. Have EMS standing by. Critical.
Chief 9, your location. Chief 5 to all companies, exit the structure.
Engine 4 command, we're bringing 1 out right now. I got accountability. We'll be exiting at the same time.
Chief 5 to Engine 4, once you've exited the structure, do not return back to the structure.
Engine 4 is okay.
Wind temperature is, wind speed is going to be east at 9. We're trying for a temperature now.
Chief 5 to Engine 4, bring the victim out to the Payne Street site.
4 is okay.
Chief 1 is on the same.
Chief 1 on scene 1518. Radio to command. Temperature is 56. 56.
Battalion 11 responding to Payne.
Battalion 11 responding to Payne Street at 1519.
Support 201 on scene.
Support 201 on scene at 1520.
Command of Battalion 10, you'll be safety.
Safety to Battalion 5 accountability. Go ahead and do a PAR. Operations of all companies, conduct PAR.
7 accountability, 2 members, 7. Excellent instruction. Primary search negative.
Hazmat 1's on the scene.
Hazmat 1 on scene 1521.
Battalion 4 to command. Are you ready for information on the hazardous materials?
Go ahead.
All products are in 5,000-gallon tanks. Ammonia, ammonium bisulfate, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, phosphoric acid. Those are the max quantities for those tanks.
Command's okay. Situation report. You're on the side Bravo or Charlie?
Bravo side.
Engine 4 to accountability. We have par.
Accountability's okay.
0.7 accountability. We have par.
Quit 9 has par.
Engine 21 has par. Engine 9 has par. Engine 5 has par.
Chief 502 to radio. You can show me you're responding to the incident on Payne.
Chief 502 at 1524.
Battalion 5W to Quint 7W. Do you have par?
Quit 7W. That's correct. We have par.
Battalion 4 to command. Have a large amount of runoff entering a storm grate. Bravo Charlie side of the structure.
Operations is okay. Operations of radio. Do we have MSD?
11 on.
Battalion 11 on scene 1525. Chief 5.
Alert 1 mile radius replaced. In the meantime, I need to contact the schools within half a mile. Advise them to not release students yet until they hear from us.
I'm okay. Can we do a mile radius? Contact the schools within a half mile. Do not release them. And command U of L Hospital is wanting to know if you need any personnel to the scene for decon.
Operations to radio. Try to send me a health department representative.
I'm okay on the health department.
Quintin is on scene.
Quentin on scene 1526.
Battalion 4 to operations also have a large amount of runoff making its way down the tracks towards the west.
Command radio. You do have representation from health and MSD responding.
That's correct.
Agency response location is at the address 1901 Payne Street.
Agency response is going to be at the address 1901 Payne at 1527.
Chief 5 to radio. Also be advised, we're going to evacuate 2 blocks in each direction. Working on getting a TARC bus onto this scene right now.
I'm okay. Needing a TARC bus. You're going to evacuate 2 blocks around the area at 1528.
Operations to radio. Primary secondary searches have been conducted. All personnel are accounted for from the plant. We have par.
Primary and secondary searches have been completed. All employees are accounted for. You do have par at 1529.
Rescue 11's on the scene.
Rescue 11 on scene 1529.
Chief 502 radio. You can show me on scene on Payne.
Chief 5 on scene 502 on scene at 1530.
Chief 5 to radio. I'm going to be command. Commander Bravo Supervisor. What companies do you have Bravo side with you? Chief 5 to Battalion 4. What companies do you have with you? Battalion 4 has no companies yet with me. I am directly behind the plant. We have extensive damage to multiple apartment buildings and homes in the area. Trying to make contact with residents to determine if they're injured or not. If you have any companies available, send them back here to me off of it's like Stoll Avenue. I'm trying to find it on the map.
Operations to Battalion 4. We might be able to get the company to you off of Waverly or Haldeman. Drag some lines across the tracks. Do you see visible fire?
Have no visible fire in the rear of the structure. As far as I can tell, the tanker rail cars are not involved. All of the runoff appears to be coming from the involved structure. Any companies available for Waver Street, Weist Place, or Haldeman, they can assist with making contact with residents to check for injuries.
Operation okay.
Engine 19 Hazmat 19 responding.
Engine 19 Hazmat 19 responding to 1901 Payne Street. Hazmat 19, you need to go to the roadside at 1534. 1534.
Operations of Battalion 4, you have Quint 10 coming your way.
Battalion 4 is okay. Commander radio. Our hot zone is going to be the planned property within the chain link fence. Our zone is going to be Stowe to Bel Air from the tracks to Payne Street.
Command, hot zone is going to be the plant property. Warm zone is going to be Stowe to Bel Air to the tracks to Payne at 1536.
Commander radio, Unified Command Post is going to be located at the entrance to the property at 1901 Payne Street.
Unified Command Post, 1901 Payne Street, at the front of the property at 1536.
Safety to radio. Do you have LG&E on scene yet?
They were notified at dispatch. I'm not sure if they have made it on scene yet. Can anybody advise?
You can call them back and send a representative to the Unified Command Post.
I'm okay, representative to the command post at 1537.
Operations to command. We have 0 readings from the command post down Payne Street to Story.
Commander radio, can you repeat the units on scene?
Command units on scene are Truck 2, Truck 1, 10, Quint 9, Quint 7, Hazmat 21, Engine 21, Hazmat 1, Engine 1, Engine 15, it'll do U of L, Engine 9, Engine 5, Engine 4, Engine 2.
Command, this is U of L Hospital. Do you have any update on number of patients being transported yet?
That's negative. We'll advise here shortly. Copy. Do you have Engine 5, Engine 2, or Truck 1 on an assignment? Battalion for Quint 10. Is that you approaching on the backside with your apparatus?
That's correct. We're on Halderman.
Battalion 4 is over. Come to the end of Halderman. I'll meet you there in just a minute.
Quint 10's okay.
Rescue to command. LG&E representative at 1733 Payne Street. Do you want him to make his way towards you?
Command to Engine 5 and Engine 2. What's your location?
Engine 5 is on Payne Street, 1935.
Okay, 4 to Quint 10. Start closest to the tracks. Search each home. Make sure there's no injuries. Report back. I'm in the alley behind you.
Quint 10's okay.
Command to Engine 5 and Engine 2. You can return to service.
Engine 2's okay. Engine 5's okay.
Command to Battalion 4. You have Quint 9 and Engine 19, correct? Command, repeat. Quint 9, Engine 19. Are they with Battalion 4? Battalion 4 has 2 members of Quint 9 in the rear and all of Quint 10's crew. Command's okay. Do you have 19 back there monitoring the air with you on your side of the business? I have not seen Engine 19.
Engine 19, pulling up on scene now.
Engine 19, you'll be assigned to Battalion 4. This is 10, Quint 9, Quint 10, rear of the property.
Engine 19's okay.
19th,
Payne's responding on scene.
Battalion 14 responding on scene. Engine 19, Hazmat 19 on scene, 1547.
Battalion 4 to Engine 19, I want you to take Waverly Court. Make your way towards the tracks. Start searching the houses away from the tracks towards Frankfurt. Report any injuries.
Engine 19's okay.
Operations Battalion 4, what's your situation update?
Operations, I'm in the rear, conducting searches with 3 companies. As of now, I have no reported injuries. There's no visible fire or smoke in the rear of the property. with a large amount of runoff making its way down the tracks to the west.
Operations okay.
Chief 3 on the scene.
Chief 3 on scene, 1548.
Battalion 7 on scene.
Battalion 7 on scene at 1549.
Operation Battalion 4. Have you identified what the runoff is?
Battalion 4 to operations. I'm unable to determine. It appears all of the runoff is coming from the structure. None of the rail cars appear to be leaking. They're just debris.
Operations okay.
Battalion 11 to command. We're able to provide UN numbers for some of the tank cars in the rear that are covered in debris. We've got the drone overhead.
Quint 10W to Battalion 4. We have a representative from the railroad at our apparatus.
Battalion 4 is okay. Direct him to Weist Place. I can meet him in the parking lot of that location.
Quint 10's okay.
Safety to Engine 21. Meet us at the command post at the entrance of the building. 21's okay.
Battalion 4 to command. I have a representative from CSX in my location. He's asking if we need the rail hazmat crew to respond.
Not at this time. We can have him come to the command post if you need to talk any further, but not at this time.
Battalion 4 is okay.
Operations to Hazmat 21. Hold your position.
Engine 2 is in service.
Operations to Truck 2W. Report to the command post.
Engine 2, you're in service, 1559.
Chief 3 to Battalion 4. What's your location?
I am inside 100 Weist Place, Arthur Gordon Electric.
Chief 3 over. 19 to Battalion 4. No injuries on Waverly.
Battalion 4 okay. Engine 19, Quint 10W. We lie on Weist Place until we have further assignment.
Engine 19, Quint 9, okay.
Command to Battalion 4. Have you accounted for everyone in the apartment building? That's correct. We have no reported injuries. Several structures are severely damaged.
Command, okay. Do you need any further resources back there?
Not at this time. We're going to stand by and wait for further instruction.
Command's okay. So you've got Quint 9, Quint 10, Engine 19. Is that correct?
That's correct. Quint 10, 2 members of Quint 9, Engine 19.
Command's okay.
Battalion 4, the other 3 members of Quint 9 are with Quint 10. We also have a representative from LG&E here to shut off power to the structure at our apparatus.
Battalion 4 is okay.
Correction, that's gas, not electric.
Okay.
Engine 4 to operations. Level 2 RID has been established on the alpha side. Engine 21 is making entry with 3 personnel.
Radio to command.
Command.
Can you call a CSX command that is wanting to talk to you, Ryan Godsey? Can you copy his number? He's manager of hazardous material.
Command's okay. Go ahead with the number, radio.
276-219-8200. 276-219-8200.
Engine 21 to command. We have a phosphoric gas, 35%. NSF also 8, not involved.
Command Battalion 4, I've got MSD. Do you need to meet with them back at your location?
Operations to Engine 5W. Remain on scene.
Battalion 4 to command. I don't believe we'll need MSD back right now. I'd be happy to meet them on the Bravo Charlie corner if they just want to see what's going on.
Okay, Battalion 4, you can disregard. I thought you needed MSD back there with you. I have them up here at the command post if you need them later.
Battalion 4 is okay. I've also got Chief 3 in the rear with me.
Command's okay. Commander radio, situation report. House is evacuated 2 blocks in either direction, in all directions of the building.
minimal readings. We have decon RIT set up. Sending in a team to do some recon on the exterior of the building.
Command, you have houses evacuated 2 blocks around the building. Minimal readings, decon and RIT are set up at 1612.
Engine 21W to command. We have 0 readings across the Alpha, Bravo, and halfway through the Charlie side. Oxygen levels are 20.9%.
Command's okay.
Safety's okay.
G502, engine 1W.
Engine 1W.
What's your location?
We're in the parking lot on the Bravo side of the structure.
Okay.
Engine 21W to count to 3 members exiting the Hazardous.
Chief 3 to command. Recon 1 to Recon 2, your location.
We're on the Charlie side of the main structure.
We're on the Alpha side.
Recon 2's okay.
Battalion 12 on scene.
Battalion 12 on scene in the rear, 1621.
Rehab 12 responding to 1901 Payne Street.
Rehab 12 responding 1901 Payne at 1624.
Battalion 4, operations. LG&E gas is shut off the gas to the main structure.
Operations okay.
Commander radio. We still have 0 readings in a large radius around the property. You can release the shelter in place zone. We're going to keep our 2 block evacuation zone for the time being.
Command, 0 readings around the area. We can release the 1 mile radius, but are still going to be doing the 2 block radius at 1631.
Operations to Rehab 12.
Rehab 12, go ahead.
When you arrive on scene, come from the east side of Payne Street from Ewing.
Rehab 12 is okay.
Radio command.
Command, go ahead, radio.
You do have another target bus at Payne and Clifton at the far end if you need any more residents sent that way.
Command's okay.
1644.
Engine 4 operations. We have 2 blitz fires in operation.
Operations okay. Operations to radio. What's my original companies on this box?
Stand by.
Quit on in service.
Going on in service, 1652.
Battalion 5W to engine 19W. Can you have firefighter LAC reset as fast light?
Engine 19W is okay.
Radio operations.
Operations.
Okay. Original dispatch was Hazmat 21, Engine 21, Engine 4, Engine 5, Quint 7, Truck 2, and Battalion 2, and we started Hazmat 19 because Hazmat 1 was on a run.
Operations okay. What's the box card state?
Stand by.
Truck 1's in service.
Truck 1 in service, 1653. Radio 2 operations. Radio operations.
Operations.
Okay, box card that I've got on hand is going to be 98, which is going to be State and Arlington. And on that box, I have Engine 21, Engine 5, Engine 4. Engine 9 would be the 4th engine, and Quint 7 and Truck 2.
Operations okay, thank you.
1656.